Hello students, today we are going to start our syllabus. Our first unit we are going to start first. Lesson is 1.1, A Time to Believe. This is one poem. Before starting any lesson, that may be the prose or poetry, we have certain warming up activity. Here also we have one warming up activity that we are going to study first. Before starting that, I would like to tell you what is meant by warming up. See, before starting any game, players they go on the ground and then they just warm their body for playing game. It means they prepare themselves physically for playing the game. Here for learning any lesson, we are preparing ourselves mentally to learn new lesson. Now we'll study these questions. Think, choose and fill up the labels with what a sunrise symbolizes. See, certain words are given. At the same time here, picture of sunrise is also given. These boxes are there. So whatever words are there, the words those are symbolizing sunrise, you will have to write it here. And certain another words also you can write by your own. See the words jewelry, art, hope, birth, anger, then new opportunities, good manners, then inspiration, new achievements, happiness, then misery, bright moments, then new aims, money, and new surprises. So these are the different words. So you will have to pick those words, the words those who symbolize sunrise, those words you will have to write it here. Like example I am telling you, so I'm not going to tell you all the answers, certain answers I will tell, remaining you will have to find from this and then you will have to write it down here. See, new achievement you have to write, it's also symbolizing for the sunrise. Then happiness, so while writing remember one thing, only the words those who indicate positive thing, those words only you will have to write it here. You will have to pick these words from here and then you have to write. See, new achievements, happiness. Now this word you shouldn't write, it has negative meaning here, but bright moments, then new aims and new surprises. These 4 to 5 words I have told you, so these you write and then remaining words you find it from there and you just note it down. Then come to the next second activity. Here word formation is given, it's simply we can say a word game. An acrostic is a poem or write up in which the first letter of each line forms a word when it is read vertically. See, here total 6 words are given. But if you are reading those words vertically, so then one new word is formed, that is, see, faithful, reliable, inspiring, encouraging, noble, and dedicated. If these all the words you are writing and vertically you are reading, so you will get one word, that's a friend. So this kind of word formation is known as a acrostics. So here you will have to write or you will have to do certain acrostics. Your best friend, whatever his name is, you will have to make one acrostics of that. Then again, your dear family member like mother, father, brother, sister, anyone. Then again, your best friend in the class. Okay, that friend it means from your neighborhood also you can write, but here your best friend from the class, that you have to write. Here one another activity is given to you. With your benchmate group, complete the acrostics of believe and faith. See, two acrostics are already given, incomplete acrostics are given, you have to just complete it. Like, see, believe is the word, you have to start your word with this kind of given words. Okay, then here also faith is the word that is given, you will have to frame or you will have to make words with given letter. Then see, please note that the words or phrases should be more or less related to the topic. Then you can use thesaurus. What's meant by thesaurus? See, it's one reference book, and then whatever these similarity of meanings are there, so same kind of synonyms are included in this kind of books. So you can use here dictionary also, or related words only you have to write. Related to faith, whatever words are there, those words we have to use. And here related to the belief, the words which are there, those words you have to write. Here one example is already given: faithful, reliable, then inspiring, encouraging, noble, and dedicated. If your friend's name is there, whatever that name may be, so with that name also you have to write. Like suppose Rohan is the word, so Rohan, R, reliable. O, from O also you have to find certain word like outstanding. Then H, from honest. Okay, then A, from A also you can find any like amiable word, it means very good nature. Then again N, from N also you have to find any it means same quality word should be only found, like noble. So in that way Rohan is the name, and we have written acrostic for that. In this way you will have to write the same related word related to these letters. Thank you very much, and you just complete this given activity. In next lecture we will study the poem A Time to Believe. Thank you very much.